Sige. Ay, panglaki ng kangkuan. Here, Gwen. Ay.
Okay, so now I request everyone to please settle down. Okay. Alright, so I request again everyone to please settle down. Okay, feel comfortable. Kids, Kuya as an ate. Are you done writing your name? Not yet. Okay. Hello. Again, hello. Okay, very good. So now, if you can see. Okay, for the kids, you can see on your table. This is the big one is Princess Happy. Okay, we have their puzzle. Okay, you can see we have a puzzle. Can you help Princess? Alright, kids. If you need help, you can also ask for help to your mommy, your daddy, ate, kuya, okay, lola, and lola. Come on, ask for help. And also, she helped Princess Story to form the crown. And lastly, she helped Princess Happy to spot the 6 words. Together with our round of applause, please. Okay, so pictures are all on the camera.
Special day as we celebrate Kate's and Rose's birthday. We are grateful for the joy, laughter, and
Yay! Alright, thank you so much, everyone. You now go back to your seats and feel comfortable. At the Jollibee ang saya! Okay, kids, that easy? Yes or no? Make it louder. Is that easy? Yes or no? Very good. Okay, so now America's all the... One more. Sa Jollibee ang saya for Rosie! Sa Jollibee ang saya for Kate! Very good. We're here at Jollibee Kids Party. For the adults, please stand up. Come on, all the adults, please. All the adults, get ready. Okay, all the adults, we're going to do the Jollibee clap. Okay, come on. Okay, get ready. Now na ko kayo to bend your knees. Makipok pa ang mga tuhod. Mabend pa ang mga knees, ha? Ha? Okay, ready na. Ang sa Jollibee ang saya. Some more energy. Make it lively. Again, sa Jollibee ang saya. Jollibee ang saya for Rosie. Jollibee ang saya for Kay. Ang cluster, no? Okay. Nice shirt. Sa mga yung shirt. Enter Michael. Ang sa ulit ang Jolly Club. magbuhat ko. Siyempre, pakita nila ang challenge ka. Okay na! Go, come on! Okay, ready? Ready na ka? Hello, wala ka rin daw si Sir Michael. Okay, go. Kamong duha si Sir Anthony kay si Sir Anthony naginaw, no? Kamong duha po kay nag-vlog naman, ha? Ha? Okay. Okay, ready? Sa Jollibee, daan saya! Hala, wala. Again. Ipakita Sir Anthony ang Jollibee platform sa kan. Sa Jollibee, daan saya! Again, more energy pa kayo. Sa Jollibee, daan saya! Sa Jollibee, daan siya for Sir John Paul! Sa Jollibee, daan siya for Sir Anthony! Sa Jollibee, daan siya for Sir Michael! Okay, thank you so much, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? To Ate Car. Are you listening to Ate Car? Yes or no? Yes! Good job. Okay, so now our first game called Collect the Cups. Okay, you're going to collect the cups. Okay? Again, what do you call that game? To count if how many cups are there. Are you all ready to count? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, let's count all together. Go, Ate Mitch. Ready? 1. Only 2 kids. 2 kids are no? Okay, all the kids you count. All 8. Very good. Okay, now Ate Jen and Ate Mitch will show you how to play the game. Collect the cups. Okay, so first, go. All you need to do is you collect all the cups very fast, like that. You stack all the cups. You stack all the cups. And after you stack, you unstack. Okay, remove the cups. Is that easy, right? Easy, yes or no? How about Kuya? Is it easy? Very easy? Good job. Okay, are you ready to play? Ready. How about Ate Gwen? Are you ready? Okay. It's okay. Okay, how about Ate Rosie? Are you ready? Yes, very good. Okay, go with your ate. Okay, here lang ka. Swap mo. Swap. Okay. Okay. Sige. Si Ana. Bagay mo si Rosie. Swap din tayo, no? Sige. And then? Sige. That okay na? Okay. Okay, Ate, your sister, Ate. Okay, ready now. Ate Rosie, ready? Ready, 2, 4, 6. How about Kuya Charlie? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, ready now. Let's start. The count of 3, 2, 1, go! Go, Ate Rosie. Kuya Charlie, you need to stop all the cups very fast. Now we stop, remove, and stop the cups. Go! Got the bag, you line up the bag with your team. Alright, almost done, Ate Gwen. Good job, Ate Gwen. Outstanding, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one. Lucky one is, mag-isa si Kuya. Si Kuya ba? Okay, go. Okay, get one prize, ate. Okay, how about you, sir? 10, ako, sir. Okay, with energy, sa Jollibee Beat, ang saya! Alright, so we have here the team of, what is your name, sir? The team of Sir Ricardo and team Mama Maricar. Get ready now. In the count of 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, follow the color. I'll look at the pattern for number 1. Number 1 is color green. Okay, yellow green for number 1. And for number 2, proceed for number 2. Okay, almost done, Sir Ricardo. Good job. Okay, mana Sir Ricardo, proceed. Okay, remove. Mana article dyan, another card, article dyan. Okay, with the winners. Okay, group picture. Tingnan mo natin, Kate. Everybody's facing camera. Tumawag sa camera. Share happy face. Everyone happy. Naku, lucky. Okay, congratulations to all the winners. Good job. Thank you so much to all the players who participated. Okay, very me 1,000 peso bill. 1,000 peso bill. Come on, come on. Good answer, no? Good job, sir. Okay, wait the camera. Happy na. 1, smile. Wacky pose, wacky, dapat wacky, wacky, wacky. In 3, 2, 1, wacky. Alright, very good. Thank you so much, kids. Okay, and now, Ate Car will ask, are you hungry, yes or no? Oh, yes! Challenge for Jollibee. Okay. Rosie is... How old is Rosie the eye, Jollibee? Okay, wala ko naka-ask, no? 5 years old si Rosie. Okay. Oh, yes, 5 years old. 4 na dyan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na yung mga. Aking 1. Okay. Rosie is 5 years old. Okay,
Yeah.
Rosie. This is
Ayun, sama.
Rosie. Go, Jollibee. Look
Yeah.
for Rosie. Okay, where's Rosie, Jollibee? Go, go, look for Rosie. Go, go.
Ayun, sabag. Yeah, yeah.
Right there, Jollibee. Ask for help. Ay, Betita. Okay, ask for help.
Yeah, ayun, sabag. Yeah.
Is that Rosie? No. Okay, give her big hug.
Ayun.
Big hug, sir. Okay, hug, sir. Big hug. What? Oh, big hug. Wow. Okay, let it cry. Let it cry. Dapat talaga yung mag-away talaga ba? No! Dili ko. Okay, not that one. Jollibee. Not also 5 years old Jollibee. No? Okay, no? Happy na Jollibee. Happy na Jollibee. Where's Rosie? Nasa name tag. Read the name tag. Rosie! Yay! Good job, Jollibee. Alright. 15 years old, Jollibee. 15 years young. Okay. Pwede man na. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Then, 5 times 3. Pila man? 15. At 13 years old, 13 years old, the Jollibee ticket. Sorry. 13 years young. Okay, wait look for Ate Kate. And you ask Ate Kate also if nag-meet na mo ni Ate Kate sa una. Nag-meet na mo ni Ate Kate, Jollibee. O ni Jollibee. Mura ba kita Jollibee, no? Okay, look for Ate Kate. Go. Look for Ate Kate. Wala pa sila nag-meet di ay. Okay, karon ba sila makita? Ay, where's Ate Kate, Jollibee? Pretty? Very pretty? Ay, Jollibee, very pretty. Okay, where's Ate Kate? Okay, dulo si Ate Kate. Ito, Jollibee. Hindi ba kami kung nag-add mo Jollibee? Sure, that's Ate Kate. You ask Ate Kate. Okay. Ah, very good, Jollibee. High five with Ate Kate. High five, high five. A big hug also, Ate Kate and Jollibee. Big hug, go. Come on, come on. Big hug to Jollibee. Ready? Come on. Okay. Rosie, another kid in front in here. Good Jollibee. Oh, okay. Come here, Jollibee. The center, Jollibee. Center. Okay, facing camera. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, smile. Wacky pose, Jollibee. Wacky pose, wacky. Very good, Ate Rosie. Wacky pose. Also, Ate Kate. Wacky, wacky. And 3, 2, 1, wacky. Oh, where's your bag? Asa yung bag ni Ate Rosie? Huh? Okay, so we have already Rosie and Ate Kate. Okay, Jollibee, since you're here sa welcome party ni Rosie and Ate Kate, so I think you have a gift. Okay, do you read, naka-prepare Jollibee? Alright, so what's that gift, Jollibee? Okay, what do you think Jollibee will going to do? Do you want Jollibee to sing, Ate Rosie? Do you want Jollibee to sing? No? 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 No. Oh, Jollibee! Wacky! Alright, thank you so much, kids. And now, Jollibee will look around so you have a chance to have a solo or a family. Also, the balloons, Ate Jen. Welcome home, Rosie and Kate! Yay! Alright, thank you so much, everyone. Also, Jollibee. Jollibee, wacky pose, wacky. Very good, Ate Rosie. Wacky pose. Also, Ate Kate, wacky, wacky. And 3, 2, 1, wacky. Oh, where's your bag? Asa yung bag ni Ate Rosie? Huh? Okay, so we have already Rosie and Ate Kate. Okay, Jollibee, since you're here sa welcome party ni Rosie and Ate Kate, so I think you have a gift. Okay, do you naka-prepare Jollibee? Alright, so what's that gift, Jollibee? Okay, what do you think Jollibee will going to do? Do you want Jollibee to sing, Ate Rosie? Do you want Jollibee to sing? No? 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 No. How about to dance? Do you want Jollibee to dance? Yes! Okay, yes, the Jollibee. How about Ate Kate? Sing or dance? Dance na lang, okay. We eat something for a while. Are you hungry? Okay, Jollibee, hungry, Ate Rosie. Later na ka na mo eat, Jollibee. Later na daw. Okay, Jollibee, we're going to dance. Okay, are you ready? parents. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Sing with me. La la la, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Sing with me.
I don't want that.
I know a place that's sound and safe for us now. No need to hide or say goodbyes later.